Now, as for the ethnic Ukrainians living in the Reichskommissariat Ukraine during World War II, the seemingly promising developments for Ukrainian national life that had marked the first few months of German rule were brought to an abrupt end with the arrival of a man named Erich Koch. Erich Koch, he was the supreme leader, or known as the Gauleiter, to be the head of the Reichskommissariat Ukraine, already in November 1941. And so before the end of that year, many of those Ukrainian cultural societies were closed, several intellectuals were executed, the recently established National Council that was set up by the OUN Melnikite activists abolished, all of those activists arrested. We didn't even get to the end of 1941. These acts, not really surprising, since according to Nazi racial theory, Ukrainians were an inferior race. And as an inferior race, they did not need such organizations. They only needed to work for the master German race. By the way, this infamous line of Koch, I mean, it's impossible for any Ukrainian to be educated or sophisticated, right? I mean, they are inferior. Of course, it does happen. And Koch said, when I find a Ukrainian who is worthy of sitting at the same table with me, I must have him shot.